Top 7 Most Amazing World Libraries. The world is home to numerous remarkable libraries that house a vast collection of knowledge, history, and culture. Here are 7 of the most amazing world libraries. 1. Library of Congress, Washington, D.C., USA. As the largest library in the world, the Library of Congress holds millions of books, manuscripts, maps, photographs, and recordings. Its stunning architecture and vast collection make it a symbol of knowledge and learning. 2. British Library, London, UK. One of the most significant libraries globally, the British Library boasts a collection of over 170 million items, including manuscripts, books, and historical documents like the Magna Carta and original Beatles lyrics. 3. Bodleian Library, Oxford, UK. Established in the early 17th century, the Bodleian Library is one of the oldest libraries in Europe. It houses an impressive collection of rare books, manuscripts, and historical artifacts. 4. National Library of China, Beijing, China. With a collection of over 37 million items, the National Library of China is one of the largest libraries in Asia. Its architecture combines traditional Chinese design with modern elements. 5. Bibliothèque Nationale de France, National Library of France, Paris, France. The National Library of France is one of the oldest libraries in the world, dating back to the Middle Ages. Its collection includes historical documents, prints, photographs, and maps. 6. Trinity College Library, Dublin, Ireland. Known for its iconic long room, the Trinity College Library is home to the Book of Kells, an illuminated manuscript dating back to the 9th century, and a vast collection of ancient texts. 7. State Library of Victoria, Melbourne, Australia. This library is the oldest public library in Australia, featuring a beautiful reading room and a collection of over 2 million books, manuscripts. These amazing libraries serve as guardians of human knowledge and cultural heritage, attracting scholars, researchers, and visitors from around the world. Each one offers a unique and awe-inspiring experience for anyone who appreciates the power of books and learning.